everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1955 Ford F100. Man, just a beautiful truck, guys. Bought this from a gentleman out of Tennessee. Complete frame-off restoration. Beautiful truck, guys. Kind of a really cool story behind this. This truck was actually owned by the fire department. It was a fire truck. The cab has 25,000 original miles on it. Gentleman down there in Tennessee bought the truck, started to restore it, and then unfortunately he actually passed. And the gentleman that I got the truck from, he bought it, and he completed the truck. But just a gorgeous truck. This truck was actually painted in 2000, the year 2000. And I'm telling you, the paint is slick, it's beautiful. And like I say, the gentleman that I bought it from, he's the one who actually finished it. It's got 3D3 stroker motor in it, little cam to it. Runs out awesome. It's got vintage heat and air. It's got a Valari front subframe, so it's got torsion bar suspension with power steering, power disc brakes. And just super cool. The color, it's actually a Corvette red. Groman, who's the gentleman I bought the truck from, he sent me a picture of the paint coat on it. It's got red ultra leather in it with power seats, tilt. Just a super cool truck. It's got, you know, you can see there's a little spot that we need to touch up. A couple little marks that you can kind of pick at on the truck. But just beautiful, man. Great looking truck. New bumpers. It's got the newer style headlights in it. Beautiful paint. I wish we had some sunshine, guys, but unfortunately we're actually dodging raindrops out here. The cowl vent works. He put all new smoked glass in there. So it's not tinted glass, it's actually smoked glass. That's all brand new. All new wood bed. It's an all steel truck. Again, as you go around, you can see a few little marks where, you know, when they're putting the little posts in it, but man, this is, I mean, it's a gorgeous truck. Runs and drives excellent. Jay just drove it, and I mean, he just come back and said, man, he goes, that thing, you get in and turn the key and point the direction. It's just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top, guys. It's got American Racing Hobster wheels, one of my favorite wheels. They make an alternate cap for these, which are super cool. They're expensive. It's like a salt flat cap. I love that cap on these wheels, actually. Again, it's got front disc brakes, front sway bar. Again, this is a 3-3 cubic inch engine. It's got an Edelbrock 4-barrel. Polished air gap intake, ceramic headers, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got all brand new vintage heat and AC. It's got an all brand new painless wiring system in it. And I'll show you something when we get inside the cab, which is pretty cool. 350 turbohydramatic trans. He's got the billet hood hinges on it. It's got the serpentine belt system. It's got Pirelli rubber all the way around it. He's converted the wipers to electric, so they work. Sorry, it's just a bug, guys. New door handles. New door rubbers. It's got sculpted door pads in it, which is pretty cool. All new trim. It's got power bucket seats. They work. Console. It's got a tilt column in it, which you see all the billet trim on it. It's got a billet steering wheel on it. This is cool. So that is the original gauge cluster for this thing. 25,322 is the original miles on the cab of this truck. He's just converted it to pull the dash out, send it out, had it converted to a 12-volt system. So it's got an all new wiring harness in it. Just a super cool truck. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got a 9-inch Ford rear end. This is functional, guys. You just pull the thing out, but it doesn't have the straps on it, so it's just going to lay down. He said he just never used it, never ordered the straps. And this thing is nice underneath, guys. Gorgeous truck. I love this body style. Seats are nice, they're comfortable. I thought that was super cool about that dash. Said he was going to change it. He was going to put an aftermarket cluster, and he said he just left it alone, which I thought was cool. Got new door handles, new mirrors. Good running little 3-3 in there. Air works, blows cold, ice cold. It's a healthy little motor and it scoots out. That's a cool truck, man. Sits good. All the gauges do work. Fuel gauge works. All that stuff works. Got a great sound to it. And both seats are power too. Blower motor all works. I'll have Jake show you the cowl vent too. Cowl vent works. Wipers are electric, so they've been converted. And it's got the newer style headlights in it. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give my guys a call, 248-620-3355. That's a beautiful truck, man. Sits good, love the color. Real vibrant red. a great day, guys.